Do you come across a lot of mental health related content? Ever wondered what all to follow, how to apply everything? Feeling a bit confused about it? Here are 5 things that you can do to effectively consume this kind of content and incorporate that into your life. First is nuance. Nuance means subtle differences and variations. This is the first thing to remember when it comes to mental health or psychology. We are complex human beings with our unique lives and situations. So no one video, post or article fits us perfectly. It is not one size fits all. Online content basically is meant to provide us with a broad understanding of a concept or an idea in psychology that best describes what we are going through. How it particularly applies to our situation depends on the nuance of us, our situation, our life. Second thing is discernment. Practicing discernment is vital. That is how we understand the nuance of our own situation. We can choose that something works for us and we incorporate that because it best suits what we are going through and the need that we have in that moment, or something that we need to reject because it doesn't work for us, instead of blindly following something or outright rejecting something. Third thing is reflecting on our own experiences. When we are self-reflecting, we are basically observing the situation that we are in and the thoughts and the feelings that arise through that from like a third person point of view. We are witnessing the situation in a neutral manner, as neutrally as possible, right? We are trying to be more objective about it. Hence, we can understand the situation as it is, right? We have the information of what is happening. Fourth thing is engaging in content that is validating and also challenging. When we follow all these steps, we actually can engage in content that is closely related to us. It is talking about what we are going through. This can be helpful because it feels validating. We feel seen and we feel like we are not alone, right? So while that is helpful, these posts or videos should also challenge us in some way. What that means is that our mindset, our understanding of that situation shifts to some extent at least. That helps us move forward in an effective, healthier way because that is offering us with a newer perspective. And the fifth thing is recognize when to seek professional help. While these videos and posts are really helpful when incorporated well, sometimes we can be going through something deeper, a little more distressing. So then it can be hard to grapple on our own. This is when we can seek professional help along with relying on such online resources that are available to us. These are professionals who are qualified to help us with whatever it is that we are struggling with. So there you have it. Even though this might seem a lot, it really isn't. Once we start practicing it, it becomes second nature to us. So I really hope you found this helpful. Please like and share and subscribe. It goes a long way. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.